Hey, how's it going, guys? Ruli here. Two mice, one bucket. You already know what it is. So I wanted to give you guys an update. It is Wednesday, and we are half through the week, September the 8th. Uh, so pretty much after Labor Day, we kind of got a little bit pumped on the stocks. Also, we saw a decline on gold, like we had called. We saw a little bit of movement upwards towards the $50 region on AMC. The peso and dollar is going to pretty much what we had accorded to, go a little bit bullish, retesting 2025. We did come up from 1985 to around like 1995, 1993, and we're rebounding between that area. It does look like it wants to go higher. We'll see what happens. We have recent news that there was a big earthquake in Mexico City, so we'll see how that affects import exports. You know, tons of things that could happen down there. Pretty much the central bank of Mexico is in the Distrito Federal, Mexico City, where this is happening right now. Another thing we saw on a goal, like I said, so that's kind of like why, as I was saying, but I'm going to show you guys what we had, the trade we took. It's pretty much hit our take profit on gold. And let me show you guys real quick. I'm gonna share my screen and I will go ahead and show you right now. I was going over the charts and show you guys real quick what we saw this week, what we're looking at. So on AMC, like I was saying, we were looking at like 43, 46, and we retested like 50, I think it was like 49. We were close to reach, like I said, 50. We had a little pullback right now. Aftermarket, we'll see how the week ends. There's a lot of good news coming out for AMC, and not only AMC, in just the movie industry overall. So this new movie that came out with the from Disney and Marvel was really a good hit. So that kind of like helped that industry as well. We got, like I said, more movies coming out on October. We got new James Bond, Jackass. I think that there's a new Halloween movie coming out as well, and I think like two more. We got some other blockbusters as well by the end of the year. We got Matrix, and you got like more Marvel movies coming out as well. So that's gonna have an impact on the price. Like I said, watch out for that, guys. We are looking at some buying pressure on the weekly. If I mean, look at how this weekly candle is gonna close. If we could close 50 or a little bit above it, then we're a very good spot. Moving on to the Mexican peso, like I was saying, we did get a little pullback, and we're around this area again of 93, but we did test 97, almost a 20. So we're just holding. And hold on, wait. What's going on? What's going on, my guy? So yeah, guys, we're on that right now. We're holding the pesito. And for gold, as you can see, we hit our take profit of 300 pips. Is a low risk, high reward, as you can see. And one of the reasons why we took this short is because we were also bullish on the US dollar. Yeah. So another thing I wanted to talk about, I haven't really talked about Bitcoin. I'm gonna start talking about Bitcoin a little bit. Some of the things that I saw that had that also, it's one of the reasons why I think it dumped. It was just accepted as a legal tender currency in El Salvador, and I'm guessing Salvador does not want to buy it at 40K, 50K. So I mean, 46K, 50K, they're not. I don't personally. I think we're gonna retest the 30,000 area support. We're gonna retest that support at 30,000, and then from there we'll see if we don't end up going to 15K, which will be a really good buying opportunity for everybody out there. This is not any financial advice either. I'm just sharing my thoughts on what I am looking at the markets at the current moment. And yeah, guys, keep moving those feet, keep moving, keep fucking, get information, go on Bloomberg, go on Google, Yahoo Finance, you can check out the volume, check out the projections, check out how much money they're making, if they're in a deficit or if they're making profit. That could also have an impact as well. From AMC, really quick, I'm gonna switch out to Rising so I can show you guys. This is another stock we're holding. Any holdings, right? It's not, but well, nonetheless, guys, right here we can see the weekly on the on rising. And one of the reasons why this will be a good buy opportunity, it's because we are currently not making any profits in this company, and it is said they've been saying that hopefully by the end of the year they will start making profit. These guys are the ones that make the engines for pretty much all Boeing and all other international aircrafts that are, for commercial use. And yeah, so they got a lot of stuff coming out. Nonetheless, I would also encourage people to do a little bit more research on Rolls-Royce and how it started to where it is right now. There's a lot of history in this company, and there's a lot of history to be made with this company as well. Hopefully you want to be a part of it. Please like and subscribe, guys. This is just a normal guy, the side hustle right now. If you can help me donate, make this a more consistent job, so I can stay here and do more research for you guys and share it with you. I'll be more than glad to do that. Another thing I saw on the U.S. Treasury bonds, we got a little pullback, and also I was looking at the news. So that's what I'm saying. We can go on Bloomberg and see different stuff that's happening in the markets, like how the sort of banks are warning about equities in the United States, BlackRock dumping money to China. There's a lot of stuff coming out. Also, one of the things that's going to be bullish for the dollar is that they're pushing back on tapering to the end of the year. So the tapering is gonna, if there's no tapering, what's gonna happen is that the Fed is gonna continue to buy and purchase bonds, ETFs, or pretty much debt from the United States, so it doesn't crash. And they're spending around like 120 billion. If they do end up deciding to taper, then they will only decrease a fraction of that purchasing power. So they're not just gonna stop right away. There's a process, guys. So overall, they're pretty they seem pretty confident on reaching the 2% target on the US 10-year. So we're gonna look at how that goes from here to the end of the year. And yeah, guys, so stay tuned, and I'm gonna be doing another update by Friday. See you guys soon. Thank you.